Hi, welcome to my channel Mathemagic with Mohsin Raza, and I'm here to show you a magic of mathematics that will help you to get prepared for the SAT exam and International Mathematical Olympiad and for more competitive exams. And here I'm going to discuss one of the problem that came into the SAT exam, and so don't worry, you will get more and more practice question and interesting and exciting questions on this channel. So please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. So here the question says that how many solutions could this equation have. So the equation is 3x minus 8 equals to x plus 2 into x minus 4. So you know that it could be either 0 means that there would be no solution, and there would be either the one solution, there would be either the two solution or infinite solution. So firstly you can see that this is a linear equation, so the C option won't be the option for this question. So we can take cancel out this. Okay, so by cancelling the C option, so we are left with the other two. So let's have how to do that. So we just simplify the given expression, and the left side of the expression is 3x minus 8 already in the simplest form. So right side could be written in the simplest form as this. So which is 3x minus 8. So you can see that that left hand side is equals to right hand side, so which means that all the values of x, whatever we take from the real number, that will satisfy this equation. So how many solutions could it will have? So it will have infinite many solution. Okay, infinite many solution. Eventually, that the left side and the right side are equal even for all the values of x. So that's why there would be infinite solution. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel for more interesting and exciting videos that helps you to get prepared for the competitive exams. Thank you so much.